rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it. With it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it. With it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it. With it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs.
I know that we are young, and I know that you may love me, but I just can't be with you like this.
Dancing all the yellow and gravy Swayze.
Damn, baby, you so vicious, you so clean, so delicious. How come you ain't got no business?
I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up.
Yeah, damn papa, you a rabbit. No comparing, and it's motherfucking scary. Tryna keep them cause I found them. Let a hoe know, I ain't motherfucking sharing. I could take it to the parents.
How I get my spiky Bella Hadid Y2K hair. Okay, so your hair is in a center part. You first want to kind of pull out a little bit, like the pieces you think you might want. I usually just take a little bit from the front, a few layers. Yeah, I think that's good. So I gather it in a low pony, and I just start twisting. I kind of twist it around to make like a little ball, and then make sure you're getting the clips in there. And that's it. And then it's kind of spiky, and usually I just kind of use my hands. Sometimes I'll spray a little hairspray to kind of like manipulate the spikes. And then I use my fingers to pull the sides to like loosen it, so it gives your face a nice shape. I like to play with like tucking a little bit of hair, leaving a little out. I'm gonna tuck a little. I pull out my like sideburns. And then I feel like it's sagged a bit, so I just kind of lift it and re-clip it. Like push it in and like feel like it's kind of tight. I think the key is just adjusting it a few times. I just put a little hairspray. I think in the video I tucked one side. I kind of like having one side out, one side tucked. So yeah, that's my little spiky Bella tutorial.